Curran Falcherova Liggi Ardaglis Nevo and Garin. You're very welcome. My name is Donald McKeown. I'm the Bishop of the Diocese of Derry, and we're here in this wonderful building, St. Eugene's Cathedral.
This fight for Irish freedom has led us to our cause.
I haven't really stopped, but even when I take a break, Gabby, to be honest, a break for me is lifting a guitar, sitting at a piano, or that's got to be music.
I suppose a church service needs a minister talking, but I consider music to be more important than what's said from the pulpit.
I kissed you as I did on Old Lang Syne, and to the church we wandered side by side.
Children were left to mourn. Our lives will never be the same again.
Hello, I'm Mick Foster from Foster and Allen. I'm also a member of the Frank Gavican branch of Quartus Fleadh Dhoire Mhor here in County Westmeath. And I'd like to wish Fleadh Dhoire Mhor all the best of luck.
Fleadh Dhoire Mhor Ashlin Haren Jar Verraime Wie Frija Khani is Parle Roin Sachli Etherson August Mwajin Filarji Jar Mohri. While waking in the arms of distant waters, a new day finds me far away from home. Then Limerick, you're my lady, the one true love that I have ever known, the one true love that I have ever known.